Jesus speaks a word, there's something that takes place. There's something supernatural. When this word is spoken, our situation changes. It can't pass you by. It has to do what it says it will do. The word of God never returns to him void. Anytime God sends his word, the word accomplishes what it has to do. He is beginning and the end. So there's nothing that is difficult before him. Why did this thing happen to me? You cannot even explain. You cannot understand, but there is a word of God. When this word comes forward, when this word is spoken over your life, it has to bring a change. Before it can return to God, before it can go to the Father, it has to come down and accomplish what it got to do. I see what chasing you. I see what chasing somebody. No healing chasing you. The one of breakthrough chasing you. I see your word. God exalt, or rather esteem his word above his name. His name is so powerful. Every knee shall bow before him. Whenever we call his name, things are happening. Impossibilities are being possible. Although my name is so powerful, although my name does clear things, but I don't exalt my name. I don't exalt myself, but I exalt the word. I exalt the word above my name. So there is power in the word of God. There is power in the word of God. If the word says there is a miracle for you, if the word says there is a change in your life, it might come, it might delay, but it's not a denial. Then who am I to doubt him? Because he's not like a man. He's bigger than anything. He's greater than anything. I got to believe it. I got to move with it. Yes, Lord, he has spoken it. I'm holding on to it. I'm moving on to it. I'm living by the word. I'm walking by the word. I'm sleeping by the word. I'm waking up by the word. I have hope for tomorrow because I have the word. That is the word I have for today. The heaven and earth will be shaken when there shall be no foundation of the earth. The word of God will never change. It's the same yesterday, today, and forever. Long as it has come from the mouth of God. Don't mind the opinion of men. Don't mind what people will say. Don't mind what people will argue about. It can never return to him void.